welcome to my new dance tutorial. Today I am going to teach you the second part of the song Aisi Kyun Hai Maa. Okay, first part we have already learned in last tutorial. So today we are going to learn new step. Before I am going to start, I am going to show you something. Here it is, I am making a one table and there is a one register. Okay, so today I am going to dance with this register, but this is not just a register. This register I'm going to use like a frame, like my mom frame. So imagine this is my mom frame and I'm going to dance with this. Yeah, so you all can also try like that. You can take your mom frame, keep it on the table, small size, big size, any size you can take and start dancing. Okay, keep it like side, whichever side, like right side, left side, whichever side you comfortable, you can keep it like this. Okay, so come on, let's start. Here I am taking a frame of my mom. I'm going to play with this. Okay, I'm just imagine she is with me. Yeah, 1, 2. After that I'm going to keep it here like the side on the table, and then I'm going to start my step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8 count, what are we doing? Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next step. उंगली पकड़ के चलना सिखाया. You can take a frame of your mom. Yeah. गोदी उठा लेना माँ. Then आंचल से मेरा मुंह पोंछ ले तू. मैला सा लागे जहाँ. Hug your frame. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4 count. You just go and keep your frame on the table. Yeah. So we have finished this much step in last tutorial. Okay. That tutorial I am going to use the teddy bear. You can use the teddy bear and you can use the book. You can use the cushion. Okay. So today I am going to use the frame. Okay. So today is mom's special day, Mother's Day. So I'm taking a frame. Okay, so let's start. So last step के बाद, after this, I'm coming here back. 1. So keep your both hands on your eyes like this, and look towards your left side. One more time. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Again. So hands here, bend down in front, look left, rotation towards your right side, right hand, left hand, and sit like this, facing towards your right side. Then you go left and right. So while I am moving left and right, I am using my opposite hand. So if I go towards my left side, I am using my right hand. If I go right side, I am using my left hand. Yeah. Let's do this much step from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1. Yeah. Next step. Get up like this and do some funny face, like you're angry. How you how you doing a facing expression when you're going angry like this. Yeah. So again, 1, and now keep your hands like this and walk 1, 2, 3, 4 on your place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. One more time from here. So let's do from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next step, right leg, left leg, and both hands on your face. Okay, let's try this step from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, 1. And now turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All clear? So, next step. After 1, 2, 3, 4, just open your leg and do right, left, right, left. Okay. Next step, walk right, left. After to walk, you have to go towards your table side, pick up the frame, come back again. Okay, look at the frame and sit on the floor. Hug the frame like this. Yeah. So let's do all the steps from the beginning. Let's do from the one. Okay. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Straight. 1, 2, 3. 1. 1, 2, 3. Keep the frame on the table. Come back. Then start from your 1, 2. 1, 2. Side, side. 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move right, move left, move right, move left, walk right, walk left, pick up the frame, come back and sit like this, hug. So here it is the last step of this dance choreography. The song choreography is finished just now. Okay, this is the last part of this song. So now it's your turn to do practice at your home. Okay, and this video is dedicated to the all mothers. So from my side, wish you happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Keep practice, stay home, stay safe. And now let's dance on the music. Come on.
जिंदगी याद मुझे आती है तेरे गुस्से की। डांटा भी तो तूने मुझे फूलों की तरह, क्यों नहीं माँ सारी दुनिया तेरी तरह।